Welcome back to Unbox Anish. So this week I came up with a new video. This video with respect to this box. So this box is from Philips. OTG is nothing but oven toast grill. So we have conventional grills, ovens. So what's different from those things? What is OTG and how it is different from conventional ovens? So if you say conventional ovens, can you prepare pizza? Can you grill inside a conventional oven? No, right? So this convection, which can be used for grilling, pizza, and for cakes, baking cakes, all for that multi-purpose, you can use this OTG. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox this box and see what are the components inside. So if you see on box, you can see here, the name is Oven Toaster Grill and product code is HD6975, and on box price is around 9,595 rupees, but I have purchased this from Amazon for around 6,800 rupees, and month or year of import is March 2022. So you have multiple options here. So one touch menu and 90 minutes auto shut off, and this is a 25 liters capacity, and it is easy to clean, as well as we have a chamber light for easy monitoring. So let's quickly unbox it. So this oven is easy to use, difficult to unbox. So this is a tray which you can keep it like this. The second one is happy to serve you. So everyone is very interested to prepare grills, right? So when you want to grill kebabs or anything, you can use this one. The third one, for your happy birthday, when you want to bake cakes or anything, you can keep that utensil on this one. So let's remove this thermocol and this one. So for example, because you will be generating heat inside, right? So as it is an opti-thermal technology, heat will be circulated evenly inside. So you cannot take these things because these things will be heated, right? So once you want to remove this one, you can hook this like this and remove it outside. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to Unbox Anish. So this is how it looks from the front. You have switches for function. You can on or off the light. You can start or stop. As well as you can set the timer. This knob you can use it for setting the timer. And this knob you can use it for setting the temperature. Here you have a short LCD screen where you can see different options. Using these knobs or switches, you can select them. Prepare grilled chicken. Or tighten these things if you want to loosen these things. For example, I will be loosening completely. Loosening completely. This one and this one. Then if you loosen them, it will come like this. Remove like this. You can remove completely. Keep your chicken inside and again insert the same and tighten. Insert the same like this, which will hook the chicken, tighten it and place it back here, which will. One advantage of this OTG is like Philips is giving a chamber light inside. With other OTGs, this is missing. This is a very good feature to have. From back side, it looks like this. As you can see, you have some small ducts for the airflow outside, as well as you have a power cord. This is a 250 volts, 16 amps power cord is there here, and this is 1500 watt capacity. That's it guys. So let's quickly start our oven and see how it performs. So let's quickly switch on. Since the first time, you can see it here on the LCD screen. You have multiple options like pizza, bake, broil, cookies, roast, grill and tikka preheat. For example, if you here 3 switches are there, right? For example, if you click on function, it will change. For example, from broil to cookies, roast, grill, tikka, preheat. For example, if you want to use anything better to preheat for some time and then start using, for example, for grill or some other purpose. So as well as you have internal light, I have mentioned previously, right? If you click here, you can see this light glowing, which is very helpful. As well as you can increase or decrease the temperature, as you can see here, using this knob, as well as time also we can change. So for example, just before starting anything, I will just preheat this one. First I will remove this part. Let me change to preheat. So here there's a blink, right, to start and stop. Let's click on start and our timer got started. If you want to see anything, you can switch on the bulb. So our first attempt is to cook chicken tikka. So we properly marinated and covered with silver foil. So let's keep this inside. So here let's select the functionality to tikka, as our we are trying to test chicken tikka here. Let's go to tikka. Yeah, 180 degrees centigrade and time is 30 minutes. So what we will do is like we'll start this one in between. Since one side will be heated, we need to change to the other side and start heating again. So let's quickly start it. Zoom.